Alright, hey guys, we're here to show you how to swap out the regular mirrors that come with your F-150. This is a 2018. We've already done the one on the driver's side, and we'll show you how to do the one on this side. So these mirrors are good, but obviously towing a wide trailer can be a little bit of a challenge, so it's pretty straightforward on how to get it done. Alright, this inside cover, just gently kind of work it off. It pops off fairly easy. Next, you're going to disconnect the wire, push the little tab and then a little keeper on the bottom. There are 2 nuts and 2 bolts. It's a 10mm socket. Be careful not to drop them into the door here. You may want to stuff a paper towel or a rag or something so they don't fall in there. So this is the mirror off of the driver's side, the original OEM, and once you remove the 2 bolts and 2 nuts, there's going to be a little clip. So that's the only thing still holding the mirror on. So what I found is easy is I just use an old paint stirring stick. It's wooden, so it won't scratch the paint. And basically you're going to come in from the top and push down on the tab to remove the mirror. You can just get it, and there's the little tab. It just hangs up, otherwise it pops right off. One quick note, Ford F-150s, depending on the options that came with the truck, you either have a 24 pin or an 8 pin. So when you're ordering the mirrors, make sure you order the right one. You can figure that out by simply popping this cover and you can count the number of pins on there. This is the company where I've got these from. They were just under $300 for the pair. They do work with the power window controls, and it says defroster. We'll have to see how that works out. Okay, then I'm just going to hand tighten them, not too tight, and then we'll hook up the wires. So snugged it up by hand with the ratchet. Push that little tab on to hold the wires on the bottom here. It just holds on so it doesn't keep the wires out of the way. It clicks in. Reattach the trim piece. And this is what the new mirrors look like. Quite a bit of an improvement with the size and reducing the issues with your blind spot. So 2018 for about $300, you get a really nice set of towing mirrors, and compared to the OEM, which is about $1,800 for the pair. So they look good, and they even add the extra turn signal light on the side. Well, thanks for watching. Good luck.